Morning. Today we're going to be doing a gravel driveway restoration and regrading and possibly a stump grinding after that. Let's get loaded up. Now we need to secure the load and then we can get rolling. This thing's twisted again. I hate when my Schwartz gets twisted. I don't think that is going anyplace. Whew. And I think it's just about 80 degrees this morning, humidity about 100%. Got the trailer loaded and I'm already tired. Okay, we're here. We just pulled in, talked to the homeowner a little bit. Now I'm going to check out the driveway and get ready for some grading. So follow me and we'll walk along the whole length of it. All right, we have some deep rutting in some places, areas prone to washout. And we're going to make some adjustments. We don't have any extra material today. We're going to do an initial grading and at least figure out what areas might need more attention in terms of additional material. So let's get the equipment off the truck. much better. Now turn my music on and things will be perfect. Some of the larger rocks get pushed to the side. It's going to pick them up, put them in the bucket, and put them in a low spot where erosion has been a particular problem to help out with that. Today wasn't a really dirty job. It was definitely a dusty one. I know all about the dirt and the mud. Yeah, a little hot and dry today. This for you, Mike Bro. Pretty dirty. Well, it wasn't a bad day's work. This equipment takes pretty short work, easy work, of some really tough jobs. The customer was extremely pleased with how even and smooth the driveway turned out and all of the ruts and washouts that were evenly filled in. And he's going to keep in touch with me and let me know how the new contours, weather, the upcoming storms. One this afternoon, it's coming in. I really don't like getting rained on, so I'm going to try to get this equipment loaded, strapped up, and hey, check this out. Look at this. I do not want to stay on my glove. I was hoping to, get a good view. There he is. Check him out. That's pretty cool. Love these guys. Let's go put him in a safe place. Okay, he's safe. Now I can go and eat bugs and do mantis things. Oh, I think the heat index has to be about 95 right now. I don't miss the heat and humidity, I'll tell you what. Yeah, I don't miss the deep south at all. I'll say that. It's like Georgia heat, or even worse, Louisiana heat. I say those of you guys that have been to JRTC in July, August, that's miserable. One of my sons, he was at NTC at Irwin. Can't remember what month that was, but that's pretty hot too. One thing I forgot, I asked a homeowner to ground guide me out of here. I'm not sure there's a place for me to really turn around. Backing out's no issue, but then I can't see the road. Okay. Whew. Now we'll get the camera put away and you guys can kind of see the situation here. and that driveway goes out to the main road. I'm not sure. You know what? I might be able to back this up into this driveway. If I cut across this, I won't call it grass, ground cover. I think I should be able to do that. There's a pretty good amount of room to swing right here. Yeah, we should be in pretty good shape. Okay. I can't wait to turn on the AC. Even better to be back at home in that AC. I think my wife has it set at 68 degrees. That's fine with me. All right, let's get this thing turned off. For some reason, I can't operate this phone with my gloves on, but my other one, I can. Okay, now we're gonna try to back out of here. And let's see, I'm kind of parked in the branches of the pine tree right now. It's kind of difficult to see, but I don't think we should have much trouble getting out of here. Let's see what I can do here. Always rely on your mirrors. They tell you everything you need to know. It's got to watch the roll bar on the Ventrac. I put that in some trees already. Too bad. All right, we're in really good shape. Okay. Well, that was a pretty tight fit. Now we'll put our maps back on before we pull out of the driveway here. Okay. Beautiful. Well, given that this is the first video attempt of trying to record a work day with no videographer, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. But I'm curious to see how the editing process is going to go. But it's one of those great days where you do a job and rarely have to get off the seat for anything. Those are the best ones. Stay on the seat and do great work. I wonder how many vehicles are still made today as a manual transmission as an option. always preferred it. Going back to the days when I was driving commercially, big trucks that I would drive, the 18-wheelers, trying to think, the Rockwell transmissions, I think they were 12 forward and 2 reverse, the same as the Eaton Fullers. I think the Rockwell shifted a little better though. But this here is 6 speeds forward and 1 reverse gear. It is 4-wheel drive with a transfer case. And this has the V10 3-valve in it, which sounds amazing, by the way, when you really when you really get on the gas. You almost have to be going through a tunnel or something for you to really hear just the beautiful orchestra of the V10 sound. If you're a car guy, V10 sound great, V12 sound pretty good too. V8's a classic sound, but just something about 10 cylinders and above, it just sound fantastic. Alright, we're coming up our little backcountry road. Almost home. That's a pretty good day. Especially the dogs. Just like that. All right. Dropping into 4 low. Beautiful. Okay. Let's get unloaded. Before we unload, let's go in and see the girls. Oh, the girls. They must be sleeping. Girls, hi! Oh, Kira, Anya, Lexi, come here. Oh my goodness, come here. Oh, I love these dogs. Okay. Connor must be up in his room. Oh, look, there's Bella. Hi, kitty. Okay. We'll go out and get unloaded. I'll be right back inside. Yeah, it's a little cloudy. It's kind of nice. Not get peed on directly by the sun. That's it for today. Let's go inside and relax.